Connect, charge, sync, download movies, back up your files, and sync your mobile devices with extremely fast data transfer rates, up to 10 gigabits per second, using this USB-C to USB-C cable. 4K video support. When using this USB Type-C cable, you'll experience lifelike picture quality with support for UHD video resolutions up to 4K 60 Hz. USB if certified. To ensure quality and reliability, this USB-C connector cable is USB if certified in order to meet all USB 3.1 specifications. Connect your USB 3.1 peripherals. Use this USB-C to USB-C cable to connect USB 3.1 devices including portable hard drives, docking stations, mobile devices to a USB 3.1 laptop or desktop computer. This non-standard 0.5 meter cable is great for close-range connections to charge and sync your micro USB mobile devices with your laptop. You can also use the cable to charge your devices from a USB-C wall charger, car charger or power bank, perfect for people on the move, for providing simple, tidy connections. Top review from the United States. Works like a charm. No need to pay more. This one will get you the speed you need from a USB-C connection.